Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into n8n Cloud for ETL automation, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open your preferred web browser. Type in the URL for n8n Cloud. Press the Enter key on your keyboard. Wait for the n8n Cloud homepage to load. Locate the Login button on the top right corner of the page. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to the Login page. Enter your registered email address in the designated field. Next, input your password in the password field. Double-check that the information entered is correct. If you have forgotten your password, click the Forgot Password link. Follow the prompts to reset your password if necessary. Once all details are filled in, click the Login button. Wait for the system to authenticate your credentials. If successful, you will be taken to your n8n Cloud dashboard. In case of any error messages, review your login details. If needed, retry the login process. Once logged in, familiarize yourself with the dashboard layout. Explore the features available for ETL automation. You are now ready to utilize n8n Cloud for your automation needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.